If you're looking for an unboxing video on the Epson XP-620, stick around because that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today I've got the Epson XP-620. We're going to be unboxing, setting up, reviewing. We'll be going into some of the specs, we'll be putting it through the hoops, and we will look in depth into this printer. Now there will be 3 separate videos aside from this video that will be linked in the description below. One of them will be a print quality test. That is where we're gonna test the quality of the printer. You're gonna print different photos and different documents and just see the capability as far as printing and color quality. And the next one is gonna be how to install the ink on this printer for those that aren't familiar with this ink system setup. There's gonna be a video specifically for that. And then finally, if you already own this printer or something similar to it, I do sell the Best Printers cleaning kit. This kit will allow you to get your print quality back up to normal, will allow you to get colors back that maybe have just faded away. Those lines that end up showing up after some time of using the printer. This product actually fixes that. Speaking about products, there will be a link in the description below for this printer. When you go through that link, it will take you to a page where you can see product details, other information that I may not have covered in the video, pricing, and then ultimately you can make a purchase through that link. Any of the products I mentioned along the way in this video or others will be linked in the description below for your convenience. So I hope that's a helpful resource to you. If you're new to the channel, I ask that you subscribe. Alright, I'm really excited to review this printer. Let's get right into it. Alright, this is everything you're going to get in the box. You have your power cable, you have your startup ink, and you also have a CD and a startup manual. Print head, the carriage itself is taped down as well, so you're going to want to lift up the scanner, lift up the top of the printer, and remove that tape and that styrofoam that is covering up the print head. Alright, so at this point you're going to be able to install the ink cartridges, and like I said before, there's going to be a separate video for this installation if you don't already know how to install this type of ink cartridge. Okay, once the ink is installed, you're going to wait for this process to go through. It's about 7 minutes, and then you're going to get to the menu. And here you have all your different options, your settings, everything that you can really do with the printer. So you don't have a touchscreen, you kind of have a generic, but functional buttons on the side to be able to control everything. That help button is going to be something very useful to you when your kids don't want to help you set something up. That should be able to help you out for the most part. Okay, one of the great things about this printer is it does print on CDs, and here you have in the menu setting kind of the options for that. If you're printing photos or if you're doing some kind of crafting, this is going to be the section for you. More functions, you have a lot of different things you can, different types of paper you can print on, different things you can do. If you have photos on a USB drive, This is going to be excellent for you because you can just pop this in and you'll be able to print the photos right from there. Okay, so here you have 3 different paper trays. You have one standard, mainly for paper. You could put different types of paper, but mainly for paper. The one inside of that one, which is this one, is to print on CDs. And then you have a third paper tray, which is going to be for smaller photos, smaller types of paper. This is the main paper tray, and of course it's adjustable. You could do smaller prints on this one as well, but you do have that additional paper tray. The overall design of this printer is pretty standard. It is a little bit more sleek. It is more modern. However, compared to some of the other newer printers, and a lot of them are coming more so in the white color, which it's really all up to you. It doesn't really matter. I think this is a pretty standard but still nice and professional look. Here you have your USB port, so you can connect directly with a USB cable from the printer directly to your laptop or desktop. If you have any paper jams, you can open this piece up. Okay, here is the second paper tray I was talking about. This is the smaller one. Of course, this one is smaller, but it's still fully adjustable, so you can make some changes if you need to. Overall, I was satisfied with this printer. It is standard, but very functional. Like I said, professional looking. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. Again, make sure to refer to the links in the description below for the different products that I mentioned throughout the video, including this printer. That's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.